Hi guys, I'm Sonndersmith and this is a PLA modification of my hidden blade. In this video I'm going to show you little differences in the assembly process in comparison with a PETG version. As you can see, a 3D printed coil spring was replaced with a piece of rubber band. Just make a cut, add a figure 8 knot, tighten it and cut the end, leaving a 2-3 mm long tail. Then make another figure 8 knot. Until it's untightened, you can roll it along the string. A distance between two knots has to be between 35 to 40 mm. This video is just an addition to the main one. You can find more detailed instructions in there. Thanks for watching, bye.